Okay.
Hey folks, we got Brent Ehrler here, Touring Pro on the ICAST Elite Series. Brent's with GoPro, and he's going to show us one of the new products that they've got.
You bet. This here is brand new. It just came out a week ago. This is the Hero 4 Session, and it's 50% smaller and 40% lighter than the original Hero series. So,
wow.
For fishing capabilities, for POV shots, whether it's a chesty, a hat clip. They make a mount now it's almost like wearing a watch. It's a wrist strap. This mounts on. You can point away from you. You can point it back towards you. You get a lot of POV shots. Underwater in itself, it's waterproof down to 30 feet, 10
That's
meters.
crazy.
So it's really an awesome camera for fishing. We can get a lot better shots out of it.
If these guys wanted to go find more about the GoPro products, where would the best place for them be to go?
I would say either GoPro.com or TackleWarehouse.com if you're interested in buying one. You don't have to leave the house. Tackle Warehouse awesome, has awesome discounts, promos here and there, but even then it's the best price you can get. It's standard pricing across the board. But GoPro, if you want to find out more about it, if you want to buy one, Tackle Warehouse.
That's awesome.